I'll guide you through how to make blog website in WordPress. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to the WordPress website. On the top right corner, click Login or Get Started. Continue with Google, Apple, GitHub, or enter your email. Choose your domain or use your existing one. Pick the free option and click Continue, and don't forget to save your plan. You'll enter your new WordPress dashboard. Set up your site step by step. Name your site, add a tagline, upload your site icon, and add a logo from Fiverr if you want. You can also add a custom address, set your time zone, date format, and time format. Customize the admin interface style and select your site language. Once done, click Save Changes. Next, click Write your first post. Here, start your first blog. From the right side dashboard, customize the blog layout. On the top right, switch views between desktop, tablet, or mobile. You can save as draft or publish your post. Now, your site is active. To edit the design, go to the left dashboard and adjust navigation, styles, pages, templates, and patterns. Finally, click Launch your site.